Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Now, this meditation for you will be all guided and pretty simple and easy to follow, but you just need to sit down or lay down. You have some headphones, please put that in and find yourself as comfortable as you can. And before we get started, let me just show you the initial breathing that we'll be doing. And all it is two inhales. We'll take a big inhale like this, and then open mouth. You exhale it out completely. Okay, so two exhales, one slow exhale at the end. Let's begin. Get in that position where you need to be, seated or lying down, and go ahead and close your eyes. Once you're ready, we'll inhale. Another inhale at the top, and a slow exhale, let it go. Big inhale, another inhale at the top, slowly exhale. Big inhale, another inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, another inhale, slow exhale. Last one. Inhale, inhale, slow exhale. And start to just let the breath normalize right here. Let yourself fully settle into your current position. Notice just how that breath has helped you just ground into your physical body. And we'll proceed to make it even heavier. Let's now begin by squeezing your arms and squeezing your legs in whatever position you're in, okay? If it makes a face, you make a face, do so here. We'll squeeze and hold for 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and then relax into your body. Relax your face. Relax those arms. Relax those legs. Bring your awareness into your full body once again and squeeze everything. Make a face if that feels good also. 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale, relax. Relax into your full body. Once more, bring your attention everywhere and squeeze your body. Tense up your body. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let that heaviness start to just spread throughout your body. Feeling more comfortable in your shoulders and your facial muscles. And take a moment to just arrive here physically, mentally, emotionally. Let's take a breath here. Slowly breathe in. Slowly breathe out. And here I want you to just remind yourself, I am present. I am grounded. I am present. I am grounded. And just whisper that in your head with every breath. want you to start to just bring your awareness into your legs, your arms. Start to feel the sensation of your clothes and whatever is below you, beneath you. It could be the carpet, the hardwood floor, the air in the room, on your skin. And start to just notice all sensations on what you feel. Now connect to what you hear, everything in the room or outside the room, any cars, any birds, the sound of the wind, the sound of the AC or fan if it's in the room. Now into your mouth, just notice any tastes, whether you ate something or drank something, just any taste that you may notice. Now into your nose, any scents or smells from you or around you. And start to just bring your awareness back into your eyes and start to open up your eyes. And just take a look in the room, just notice a few things, any colors, any objects, and go ahead and just start to shake out your body, loosen up what you need to hear, and if it feels good, bring a smile to your face. All right, everybody, there is your quick meditation just to ground yourself and bring yourself back to a normal state. And let me know how that went for you, if that was easy, was that hard? But welcome back to this meditation series. And this is just the first one. We'll continue to meditate daily as often as possible. So please revisit this as needed. It could be in the morning time, lunchtime, in the evening time. All right. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. All right. Take care.